YouTubers, it's Silver Earth and Moon here, Erin. I just wanted to go over a video and talk about how to see auras. I have seen auras since I was a child. I remember asking my mom what the halo is around her head. Now, if you're not familiar with what an aura is the color of your energy. So everybody has like an energy field around their body, and that's what the aura is. And the aura is several different layers. And when you do readings for auras, you can look into the different layers to look for like health issues and other things like that. What most people use it for is just to do fun personality traits and things of that sort. So for me, I personally can look at somebody and just be able to tell them the color of their aura, and then I will direct them to like a website. Oh, this is where the descriptions are. You go ahead and look at it, and then they'll be like, oh wow, this is definitely my personality. So I always describe that as the first layer of the aura. It's just like the one color fits all. Now people have different colors in their aura and things of that sort. But let's see. So like you have red auras and pink, yellow, all of that. Now silver and gold and purple are pretty rare auras. I don't really see that very often. But when you have those, that's rare. Anyways, okay, so what I'll do is I'll go on to and show you guys how to read an aura. All right, so first off, what you're going to need in this is you're going to need a white piece of paper like this. It's on the back of my daughter's painted thing. Anyways, so what you're going to do is you're going to have to put your, well, let me start off. I'm getting ahead of myself. You're going to want to have a piece of paper. You're going to have dim lighting because it's difficult to see in like really bright lighting. And what you're going to do is very simple. You're going to take your hand, and I want you to take your hand, put it flat down here, right? And I want it to be like it's kind of dim in here, as you can see. And what you'll do is you'll just stare at your hand. Now, I know that sounds absolutely crazy, but you'll stare at your hand and you don't move your eyes from the position that you're staring at. So right now I'm going to focus right here, my eye attention right there. So I'm going to stare at that spot, and then all of a sudden you'll start to notice that there is like this white outline. And I don't know if you guys have seen that before. You ever like look at something and then you like turn your face real quick and you see like a white outline. That is an actual aura energy signature of a person. So what you'll do is you'll stop and you'll slowly start to look for the white outline in here. And it will slowly start to appear. Now you want to do, the easiest way to do this too is just to relax your eyes. Relax your eyes. You can see so much when you just relax your eyes. I know Kelly in the Raw, one of these video channels that I watch, she talks about seeing auras, and she says things like you can go into a room and turn the lights real low and just look. And it's true. And seeing auras is the first step into seeing spirits. Because you'll suddenly start to see energy and things of that sort. So that's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to practice this about 10 minutes a day, and then you'll start to notice that you see things. Now, I've noticed that I've seen auras through inanimate objects because they hold an energy signature if somebody holds them, but sometimes some things don't have auras unless there's an energy with them, but everything is made out of energy. So it's a different type of energy that's with them. So I don't know if that's specifically an aura, but I see energy and auras, so that's why. So crystals have a specific energy aura to them. I can see people do, cars sometimes do, but like inanimate objects like this, unless it's been held or something like that, you're really not going to get a super good look of an aura off of it. But but what I say, I still recommend, go ahead and do that. Wait for the white outlines, and the more and more you practice, the more and more you'll see it. I've noticed that you can also look at the outline of trees when you're outside. That helps because the trees and the plants, you'll start to see the white outline. But the white is going to be the first thing that you see. And then after you see the white, then you'll slowly go from there. But that's definitely how you see an aura. So I'm glad you guys watched that. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask them. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe if you want some more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.